Guys, this heat from Seek 1 is a step above what I've ever used before. With a digital temperature readout and 2 different blower speeds, this thing gets hot and it gets hot quick. I'm going to demonstrate to you just how quick and how hot it gets. I've got a thermal camera set up so we can really see the heat here. Check this thing out. One thing I like to do with these heat, take this waterproof heat shrink and simply seal it. Get it to shrink down on that wire, and it will completely seal and give you a waterproof connection on that wire. Just like that, now you've got a nice waterproof connection, and this heat done that for you. This is one of my favorite things to do for these. And when you turn this thing off, it has a cool down period. The temperature will fall, and once it reaches a certain temperature, then it will cut off. This makes your heat last longer because it cools it internally before it shuts itself down. It comes with several different connections that go right here on the end. There's a little deflector piece here that deflects the heat away from things you don't want the heat on. Another little reducer, and we've got this nice flat piece here that fans out and allows you to put the heat right where you want to put it. Let's see if we can see under a thermal camera how this thing affects this ceramic. You know, ceramic resists heat. It's on the space shuttles that NASA used to use, and I guess it's still on a lot of rockets they use. So it deflects a lot of heat, but under the thermal camera, hopefully you can see the heat coming out of this heat. Another thing that I really like to do with the heat is weld plastic. You can take 2 pieces of plastic and weld them together into just one. I've taken this piece here and folded it over just to try to show you that once you weld it back to itself, it's just like one thicker piece. So this is great for welding plastic. I fixed a canoe not long ago with this and it worked really good. And there you go, guys. It's a nice heat. It's a step up from the ones I've had in the past. Check it out. It's in the link below, the TikTok shop. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.